disaster. So when you call 1-800-WATER-DAMAGE of North Dakota, we come prepared to restore your life back to normal. From burst pipes to unexpected mold discoveries or fire damage, when things couldn't be worse, we come to you with our best. With empathy, local expertise, and a truck full of seriously powerful equipment. 1-800-WATER-DAMAGE of North Dakota. Restoring what matters most. 701-670-2022.
Hello everyone and good morning. Happy Monday. I'm meteorologist Summer Schnellbach and in for Lisa one more day after today. So today and tomorrow she will be back on Wednesday. But welcome to this Valley News Now weather update brought to you by 1-800-WATER-DAMAGE of North Dakota. We have a lot of things to go over. We are warmer this week. We are windy this week. We have almost daily chances for fire weather concerns. And let me move this microphone a little bit closer because I fear you won't be able to hear me quite well. There we go. Sorry about that. We are talking about warmth and wind and fire weather concerns and a few chances for showers as well. So jumping right into your forecast, the wind is increasing today. It's been a little bit breezy this morning. We had some frost and freeze headlines this morning. Those did expire at 9 o'clock. But tomorrow going to be even windier, and then Thursday could be windier yet. And this wind and dryness continues to bring fire weather conditions. But we do have a few shower chances this week. Today, critical fire weather conditions with winds out of the south gusting over 40 miles per hour, especially off to our west, west of Fargo, into the James River Valley, and humidity around 25%. Tomorrow could be another critical fire weather day, gusts over 45 miles per hour out of the northwest, and still a dry air mass in place. Wednesday, less wind, but still going to be very dry with humidity only around 30%. And then Thursday, windier, winds out of the south over 45 miles per hour, but the humidity will start to rise as rain moves in. So today we do have a red flag warning in effect from 11 a.m. until 10 p.m. for that wind out of the south and the low humidity values. Elsewhere, we are tracking near critical fire weather conditions, and there is a special weather statement out across our Minnesota communities due to this near critical fire weather expected today. Looking at satellite and radar, we've had some high, thin clouds moving into the region. But aside from that, we are fairly dry right now. You can see radar picking up on some rain well off to our north and west. But the wind, let's talk about it. Gusting to 32 miles an hour in Jamestown and Mobridge, South Dakota. Gusting to 35 in Langdon, already seeing a gust to 41 miles per hour in Minot. And that wind here across the valley will be picking up, again, out of the south. We'll see sustained winds in the 20 mile per hour range in Fargo throughout the afternoon, with gusts closer to around 30 to 35 miles per hour here in the metro. Right now, 54 degrees, so we are warming up nicely after a chilly morning. And this afternoon, we'll see temperatures in the 60s, 68 in Fargo, Fergus Falls, and Devil's Lake. 64 in Langdon, 67 in Grand Forks, 60 Roseau, 66 Wadena and Alexandria, and then a few more 70s in the Southern Valley and southeastern North Dakota, 73 in Jamestown, 74 in Oaks. So at least temperature-wise, it's shaping up to be a pretty nice day. Let's look ahead, though, to your first alert forecast. You can see this strong wind. The yellow arrows, or that greenish yellow shade, indicates higher gusts over 30 miles per hour. The blue arrows indicate gusts in the 20 mile per hour range. But you can see it increases throughout the afternoon. Then later this evening, a wind shift. You know what that means? That is a cold front. Wind is out of the south and east ahead of the front, north and west behind the front. But we're also watching for some showers and thunder showers, mostly across the northern valley, along and north of US Highway 200, in the late evening hours. And there's a possibility for some thunder or some lightning as well. Not expecting severe weather, but a few garden variety thunder showers later on tonight as you're trying to fall asleep. By tomorrow morning, that front is gone. You can see there is the frontal boundary by about 8 a.m. And we'll have a mix of cloud cover and clear skies, but the wind already starting off strong first thing in the morning. It's going to be warmer, temperatures in the 40s and 50s, but very strong wind gusts. And they pick up even more in the afternoon. We're expecting gusts out of the northwest over 40 miles per hour for your Tuesday afternoon. So an extra hairspray kind of day for sure. By the time we get to the late afternoon and early evening, a few spotty showers move through, but most of that is going to remain off to our east. And temperatures tomorrow will be just a pinch cooler, most notably in northern Minnesota, where we'll see some 50s. 53 in Roseau by 5 o'clock tomorrow, 58 in Thief River, but again, a chance for a couple showers there as well. 60 in Wadena and Detroit Lake, 67 in Fargo, 65 Grand Forks, 70 degrees Harvey, Jamestown, Oaks, Lisbon, and Sisseton. So seasonable for most areas. Then we are talking about our next weather maker. And not only is our next weather maker, I'm also looping this in to be our bright side because things are starting to get a little dry out there. We need some rain to really help green things up and mitigate this fire danger a little bit more. But it also is going to come with wind. I'm already noting a typo that I made on here, so let me see if I am able to fix that. Because we are not going to see this on Monday and Tuesday. It is going to be, oh wow, there's an arrow there. Thursday. All right, this is painful. I don't know how to get the arrowhead off of there. Regardless, Thursday morning, we are starting off with cloudy skies and the wind again out of the south and east. Breezy in the morning, but the wind picks up as this next frontal boundary pushes on through. So you can see that wind shift again, but it's out ahead of the front that rain pushes in. And this is Thursday morning, seeing some showers in eastern North Dakota. It continues to trek through the region in the afternoon and evening. Not all models show widespread rain chances like this one, but as far as our high resolution models, those aren't quite in for the end of the week yet, but it's something that we're watching. Even a little bit of rain would be helpful at this point. Still a little breezy on Friday, but not as windy as Thursday, because Thursday we could see gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour. Now, this is a look at the next 7 days. So this is not just Thursday's rain chance. We have a few showers and thunder showers tonight. We have a chance of rain Thursday into Friday morning, a couple more chances over the next week. And the most beneficial rainfall is looking to fall east of the Red River, though we could see a few spots picking up to about a half an inch in eastern North Dakota as well. And I didn't include the graphic here, but I'm going to pull up the drought monitor so we can look through this together. We will just click on this and let's see if I can show the last 2 weeks. Not quickly, so we will skip that. But clicking a little closer here, you can see at least in the state of North Dakota, we are seeing some abnormally dry to moderate drought conditions out in the central and western part of the state. And then I want to click into Minnesota as well. Our far easternmost viewing area is where we're seeing a little bit of this abnormally dry to moderate drought. So we're not faring terribly when it comes to, really, really needing moisture, but the growing season has begun. Planting is underway. Maybe you purchased some flowers and stuff over the Mother's Day weekend holiday. They all need rain. So at least a little bit in the forecast is looking good for the next week or so. But in the meantime, we are still very windy and seeing very low humidity. So here is a look at your 11-day planner. 68 degrees today, 69 tomorrow. Windy today, windier tomorrow. Wednesday, that is going to be the pick day of the week. 73, sunny, and wind only about 5 to maybe 15 miles per hour. So looking very nice on Wednesday. And then the wind comes back with a vengeance on Thursday, but temperatures warming up. 79 degrees, that wind out of the south. As I mentioned a few times here, over 40 miles per hour, still breezy Friday. And then remember, we have a chance for some showers Thursday into Friday as well. A couple chances for showers or even a few thunder showers into the weekend. Windy Saturday, cannot speak today. Breezy on Sunday. And then next week, a couple more chances to just be a little bit on the unsettled side and temperatures in the 60s. So a lot that we're watching out for this week. So it's been a little longer update for you this morning. Fire weather conditions, windy conditions, very dry, but then we do have some rain in the forecast, some thunder in the forecast too. So that's all I've got for you this morning. We will have another update around 3 o'clock this afternoon with Chief Meteorologist Russ Thomas, and then another update this evening at around 7 p.m. as well. So stay tuned for all these updates regarding all of these concerns that we're watching in the weather department. But this has been your weather update this morning, brought to you by 1-800 Water Damage of North Dakota. Have a wonderful Monday and a great rest of your week.
There's no such thing as a small disaster. So when you call 1-800 Water Damage of North Dakota, we come prepared to restore your life back to normal. From burst pipes to unexpected mold discoveries or fire damage, when things couldn't be worse, we come to you with our best. With empathy, local expertise, and a truck full of seriously powerful equipment. 1-800 Water Damage of North Dakota. Restoring what matters most. 701-670-2022.